Hi gooey and spooky lovers. Today we're making something so disgustingly adorable that even Icky Licky would be proud. Get ready to make your own fashion biohazard. For the realistic version we'll need red and black felt, stuffing, thread and a needle. Yep, we're gonna do a little sewing. But don't freak out, it's easier than taming a Huggy Wuggy. We'll cut out 2 red felt triangles. Those will be the sides of our pendant. We'll sew them up the sides, leaving an opening to stuff it. Thank you all for your comments on my previous video. Your likes and comments help me a lot to keep creating content for you.
I've been giving you the worst. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you.
And here comes the fun part. We'll stuff the triangle with pillow stuffing.
Now I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I've been giving you the worst. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. No, I don't like no humble bitch. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done.
For the biohazard symbol, we'll use black felt or faux leather and glue it onto the red triangle. That way, our pendant will be super realistic and a little scary. I made the templates for these pendants with Studio, my favorite tool. I'll leave the link to the template in the video description so you can make your own versions. For the drawing version, all you need is cardboard, paint, and a lot of imagination. We'll cut out our cardboard base. Paint it with acrylic paint, and that will be our red background. Who doesn't love a nice, deep red background? It's like a stop sign, but stickier. Now with black paint, we'll draw the classic biohazard symbol. Who would put a biohazard symbol on a pendant? Only Icky Licky.
Teaching the scribe, making them a citizen night and dry. But he's afraid and a fool. I saw it right with a 3-inch tool. Cockroach love, it's a dirty affair. Legs intertwined, discuss it with a fair. Cockroach creeping up my back. She's what I miss, how about we add one more? Jeez, look at that.
And there we have it, our 2 Icky Licky pendants. Which one did you like better? Now it's your turn. Create your own Icky Licky pendant and share it on social media with the hashtag Icky Licky Challenge. And for the curious ones, a little spoiler, the next pendant will be